Hello you guys. Today we're getting trucks to honk. We already got one. Let's see if two. Oh wait. Oh, I passed them. The last one was a bummer, but there's one up ahead. Oh, there's three. Oh, we already got one. Let's see if we can get more. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Hey, we got him. Two down. Here we go, here we go, here we go. He just turned. He didn't. Oh, but there's another one, there's another one, there's another one. Let's see if we can get this one. That guy didn't like it. Oh no, he did it. It's just really low. It's all. Oh. Okay, so we got three of them. You can barely hear the other one though. It's all. Oh. This is gonna be four, hopefully. We got three. Oh, that's too close. Three already. Yeah. Oh, there's another one up ahead. Let's see if we can get this guy though. Hey! Four. He's up there.
Wait. So we're at 5 now or 4?
Alright. 4. That's too close. 4. Hey, it's Kraft mac and cheese. This is where they make it. Fifth one. Let's see. Get closer. No, he's not looking. Let's see. Oh, there's three more right here. Redemption time. Okay, this might be number 5. Number 5. Hey! So we got number 5. There's 2 more up ahead. Let's see if we can get these guys. All right. Number 6. 6, right? Okay. Hey, he did it! Woohoo! Number 6. When the bell rings, you got saved by the bell. You got saved by the bell. No 7. Number 7, redemption time. Redemption. Hey! So we got 7 now. That was redemption for number 7. And there's 2 more. You can see one of them right here. I think. Can't really see my phone. Oh, it's not blurry. Okay, we're pulling up on number 8. Number 8, let's go. No, number 8. Mission number 8. Oh, there's a few. There's 1. There's 2, 3. I think there's one more up there. Let's see if I can. Yeah, there's 4, huh? Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, I see 4. Redemption number 8. Oh, he looked out of it. Another redemption number 8.
I don't know if this trick would have it. You think?
We could try. Oh no. Yeah. Ah, this is number 8. Okay. The other one wouldn't have worked. That was a regular car. This is number 8. Come on, number 8. Nobody wants to do number 8. Look, this is number 8. Come on. Let's see. Let's see it, number 8. Let's see you go. You guys get to see the truck. Oh, that's number 8 up there. That has to be number 8. Yeah. Okay, this is number 8. The last ones were in chains. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Oh, he shook his head too. There might be more trucks up ahead, but I'm gonna have to end this video short. We got to 7. Nobody wanted to fill the gap in for number 8. But like and subscribe. I'll try and do more content, maybe like this in the future. Is that another one up ahead? That's another one. Let me see.
Oh, looks like a billboard.
My thing isn't focused. But no, yeah, okay, that wasn't another truck. All right, like and subscribe. Bye.